Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are just going to be diving into one of the most powerful combo strategies in trading, and that is the Market Cipher A and Market Cipher B indicators trading strategy. If you are looking to improve your entries, recognize trend shifts early, and gain more confidence in your setups, then this is for you. Okay, let us start with the basics. Market Cipher A is your on-chart indicator. It overlays your price chart with EMA ribbons, as you can see. Can see that there are also blue triangles, green dots, showing possible reversal points right there on your chart. Right, in addition to the EMA ribbons. So the indicator generally tries to give the trader insights concerning trend shifts, potential trend shifts. It gives you a visual clue when the market might be about to flip or continue. On the other hand, the Market Cipher B is your oscillator. It sits below your chart and gives insight into momentum and money flow. Shows you momentum waves, which helps spot bullish and bearish divergences. And then, of course, you can also see volume-weighted momentum shifts. And you can see the RSI clusters indicating overbought and oversold conditions, alongside the money flow index, which is key to gauging the market's real strength. So how do we trade using both? The first step is to look for confluence. Confluence is a necessity. All right? Confluence is a necessity. Okay? So, you start by identifying when the Market Cipher A shows a reversal dot near the key EMA crossovers. All right? You watch out for a reversal dot near the key EMA crossovers. Okay, let's use this as an example. All right, you can see at this particular place, the blue arrow appeared. This for a reversal to the upside, right? Because the green dot is for the downside. So we can see here the blue arrow appeared below this candlestick, and that was when this bullish reversal was about to happen. All right, and you can see that the EMA crossovers also took place around here. So this was a good opportunity to buy. Okay, but after you get the signal from the Market Cipher A, you look at the Market Cipher B. If the Market Cipher B confirms that with a green momentum wave, if you notice that this particular component of the Market Cipher B has crossed upward, right? Notice that it has crossed upward, and you notice this particular line trending upwards. It's a confirmation for a buy. All right, it's a confirmation for a buy. Then for shorts, for sell trades, the reverse conditions are the case. You watch out for, let's look for a good sell opportunity. You watch out for the appearance of the green dots after bearish crossovers from these EMAs, all right? Then you look at the market cipher B and ensure that this indicator has crossed to the downside, you can see, and this one is trending downward as well. All right, so when you have that happening, that's a confirmation for a sell. So this is an easy strategy to use. It's an easy strategy to use with the market cipher A and market cipher B. All right, but make sure that you are always getting confirmations. Okay, one of the best features of market cipher B is how clearly it shows divergences. If price makes a lower low but the momentum waves makes a higher low, for example, you can see the indicator clearly shows divergence. You can see that we had a divergence around here. You can see that there was lower low in price, the indicator showed higher low, and it identified it for you. You can see shortly afterward we had a reversal to the upside. All right, so this is a bullish divergence. When you notice a bullish divergence, you can just watch out for confirmations from the market cipher A. You look for the blue arrow appearing, and you wait for the bullish EMA crossovers to occur, and that's the cue to enter a buy trade. Make sure that you always wait for confirmation. Avoid jumping in based on just one signal. All right, the power of this strategy lies in the combination of signals. You want alignment across reversal dots, and arrows, and of course the EMA movement, the momentum waves, and every possible confluence that you can get. Also, always check a higher time frame to confirm trend direction. It's important to look at higher time frames. All right, a bullish signal on the 15-minute chart backed by a bullish structure on the 1 hour is much stronger than taking it blind. Okay, then finally, no indicator is perfect, but market cipher A and B give you a huge edge when used properly. Practice spotting setups, backtest on your preferred pairs, and adjust to fit your trading style. Okay, if you found this breakdown useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more trading strategies using advanced tools like this. Until next time, stay sharp, stay disciplined, and trade with confidence. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.